This is my latest creation. It is Arduino Pong. Makes use of standard Arduino with an ATmega 328 processor. Pretty simple interface. There's just the dial, which at this point controls both paddles because I only had one potentiometer on hand, and a button for other interface, and then the TV output. The TV out library I'm using is the Arduino TV out library, which is available on Google Code. It's by Miles Metzer. Thank you, Miles, for your excellent code. The output up on the screen here, we see this is our main menu. Pretty simple. Got a happy bouncing happy bouncing Pong ball. If I press the only button here on the interface, then we will go to a game. And if I move the dial, you see get real responsive paddles. Defend our respective goals here. Very, very easy to use. So the game is by default up to 7. So we'll just go ahead and let this play itself out. As my dog skitters around in the background. I do quite well, apparently, not touching anything. Let me get those pesky paddles out of the way. In case you haven't noticed, if you move, if the ball hits one of the paddles on an edge, it actually modifies the angle at which it bounces. It's a pretty simple setup. I think there's 5 segments, maybe 3 segments on each paddle that it will increase or decrease the angle respectively based on how far off you are from the center of the paddle. So here, this is a game to 7, as I mentioned, so we should be just about done here. The ball will always move at the same x velocity regardless, but it will change y velocities, making it a little bit more difficult to play. We have our game over screen. As you can see, our right side won, and go ahead and hit the button again, and that sends us back to our menu.